Welcome to InfyGyan friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from algebra. We have to solve 2x minus 3 over x minus 1 whole square plus 2x minus 3 over x minus 2 whole square equal to 48 for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing denominators cannot be 0. So our answer x cannot be 1, cannot be 2. Now we have 2x minus 3 whole square in the numerators and x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2 whole square in the denominators. So I am trying to maintain 2x minus or plus something term in the denominator. So I need to divide both sides by 4. So I will write here 1 over 4, which will be equal to 1 over 2 square. Then we will write 2x minus 3 over x minus 1 whole square plus 1 over 4, which is 1 over 2 square once again, 2x minus 3 over x minus 2 whole square equal to 48 over 4. Now we are going to club these two terms, 2 square and x minus 1 whole square. As we have exponents same, we can multiply 2 with x minus 1 with whole power 2. So we'll write here 2x minus 3 over 2 times x minus 1 and then we'll put whole power 2. Similarly here we'll write 2x minus 3 over 2 times x minus 2 whole square and then we'll write RHS equal to 12. Or we'll be writing 2x minus 3 over 2x minus 2 whole square plus 2x minus 3 over 2x minus 4 whole square equal to 12. Now we are going to use substitution. Let us say 2x minus 3 suppose equal to u. So 2x minus 2 will be u plus 1 and 2x minus 4 will be u minus 1. So we can write our equation u over u plus 1 whole square plus u over u minus 1 whole square equal to 12. Now this is a square plus b square form in the LHS. Let me write here u over u plus 1 whole square plus u over u minus 1 whole square equal to 12. Now we know one algebraic formula. A square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2 times ab. So I will use this identity and write here u over u plus 1 plus u over u minus 1 whole square minus 2 times u over u plus 1 times u over u minus 1 equal to 12. Now we have to simplify or minimize these two terms. So I will get here u square minus u plus u square plus u, which will give us 2u square in the numerator. And in denominator it is a plus b times a minus b form. Using difference of two squares identity, we can write u square minus 1. Then we'll put power 2. Here we'll be writing 2 times u 2u square over u plus 1 times u minus 1, u square minus 1. Then we'll take 12 to the LHS, so minus 12 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation in 2u square over u square minus 1. So let us assume 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to m. So we can write equation in variable m square minus m minus 12 equal to 0. Remember, our substitution is 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to m. Now we will solve this quadratic first. So we are going to use method of factorization. M square minus m minus 12 equal to 0. Let us split minus m as minus 4m plus 3m minus 12 equal to 0. Now from first two terms, we'll take m common. So m minus 4 will be in the bracket. From next two terms, we'll take 3 common. We'll get m minus 4 in the bracket equal to 0. Our factorization is done. We'll write m minus 4 times m plus 3 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either m minus 4 equal to 0 or m plus 3 equal to 0. So from our first equation, we will get m equal to 4. And from second equation, we'll write m equal to minus 3. So m was our substitution. It was 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to 4. Now we will cross multiply and write 2u square equal to 4 times u square minus 1. Or we will simplify and write 2u square equal to 4u square minus 4. Now we will take 2u square to the RHS and minus 4 to the LHS. So 4 will be equal to 4u square minus 2u square. This will be equal to 2u square equal to 4. Now we will divide both sides by 2 and write u square equal to 4 over 2. So we will write u square will be equal to 2. After taking a square root both sides, we are going to get two real u values plus minus square root 2. Now we have to solve m equal to minus 3. We'll write here m equal to minus 3. And our result is u equal to plus minus square root 2. Now m was substitution 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to minus 3. Now we will cross multiply and write 2u square equal to minus 3 times u square minus 1, or 2u square will be equal to minus 3u square plus 3. Now we will add 3u square to both sides. So we will get 5u square equal to 3. Now we will be dividing by 5 both sides. So 5 over 5 will be 1. We will get u square value equal to 3 over 5. Now we have to take square root both sides to get the other two values of u. We will get plus minus square root 3 over square root 5. So we have 4 u values in total, plus minus root 2 from the first equation and plus minus square root 3 over square root 5. We will write here u equal to plus minus square root 2 and plus minus square root 3 over square root 5. Now u was our substitution 2x minus 3. So we will write here 2x minus 3 equal to plus minus square root 2 plus minus square root 3 over square root 5. Now we will be adding 3 to both sides. So we will get 2x equal to 3 plus minus square root 2. 3 plus minus square root 3 over square root 5. Now we have to divide both sides by 2. So we will write here divided by 2, divided by 2, and here we'll write half. So 2 over 2 will be 1. We will get x equal to 3 plus minus square root 2 over 2 times half 3 plus minus square root 3 over square root 5. Now we can write 4 answers. So I will write here x1 equal to 3 over 2 plus minus root 2 over 2 will be 1 over root 2. So I can write here x1 comma 2 with plus minus sign. Similarly, we will write 3 comma 4 will be equal to 3 over 2 plus minus root 3 over 2 times square root 5. So I can write x1 will be equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over root 2. x2 equal to 3 over 2 minus 1 over root 2. x3 equal to 3 over 2 plus root 3 over 2 times square root 5. And x4 we can write here 3 over 2 minus root 3 over 2 times square root 5. So here we have 4 x values. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.